Welcome to our channel. Our topic for today is The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. These are the main characters of the story. The story begins with Antonio borrows money from Shylock on behalf of his friend Bassanio, who wants to go to Belmont to marry Portia. Shylock agrees to lend the money, but only on one condition: if Antonio fails to repay it on time, Shylock will take a pound of Antonio's flesh. On the other side, Bassanio chooses the correct casket and wins Portia, but soon after, he receives the news that Antonio has a heavy loss, and he has failed to repay Shylock. So now, Shylock demands a pound of Antonio's flesh as per their agreement. The court session is held by the Duke of Venice. The Duke was impartial but expresses sympathy for Antonio and tries to persuade Shylock to show mercy and forgive some amount of debt, as everyone knows about the heavy loss of Antonio. Shylock behaves cruelly and refuses any amount of money, insisting on the legal bond Antonio signed demanding a pound of his flesh. Antonio accepts his fate calmly and nobly. Bassanio offers Shylock double and then even 10 times the amount of the original loan to save Antonio. But Shylock refuses, stating he wants justice, not money. Portia arrives in the court disguised as a young male lawyer named Balthazar, sent by Dr. Bellerio. Portia first pleads for Shylock to show mercy, saying, "The quality of mercy is not strained, it dropped as the gentle rain from heaven." Despite Portia's eloquent speech on mercy, Shylock insists on the letter of the law. Portia agrees Shylock can have his pound of flesh, but she reminds him, the bond mentions only flesh, not blood. If he spills even a single drop of blood, he will be punished. Shylock is stunned. He agrees to take money instead, but Portia denies him even that. Portia points out that Shylock also plotted to kill Antonio, which is a serious crime. As punishment, half of Shylock's wealth goes to Antonio, the other half goes to the state. Shylock must convert to Christianity and write a will, leaving everything to his daughter and her husband. Antonio shows mercy and mitigates the punishment. He lets Shylock keep half his wealth and insists only on conversion and a will in his daughter's favor. Shylock exits humiliated and defeated. Gratiano mocks him bitterly. Gratiano and Bassanio offer the lawyer, Portia, a reward. She cleverly asks for Bassanio's ring, a gift from his wife, which he eventually gives. Main themes in the scene: justice vs mercy, revenge vs forgiveness, law and order, disguise and cleverness, prejudice and religion. Important 2 marks questions which can be asked in paper. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.